You're a crazy lady.
You're trying too hard. Are you coughing?
No, I'm not coughing.
No, you're not coughing? No. Ooh.
Oh, special baby surprise.
Excuse me. Had to cough. Have a sip of water. Go have a drink. Tip it back. Tip it back.
Mmm, good stuff. Alright, I'll stop filming. Just kidding. Experimentation time. Yes, so cute. Oh, here we go again. With your little pet leather shoes. What are those things called again? Mary Jane's or something?
They're saddle shoes.
Saddle shoes.
I like saddle shoes.
How's that? Does that taste good? All night long.